I'm Gabby Grajales, and I am Program Management Team Leader for Electrical at Ford. The inspiration for the electrical do-it-yourself really came from the real customer experience. And really we came with this idea of the truck being able to support changing needs, be agile and flexible for the customer. When developing the Maverick, vehicle engineering came with this interesting research based on real truck customers struggling by adding their electrical devices back to the truck bed. We saw people trying to get access to their brake light power or fishing a wire between two sheet metal panels, which are sharp edges and kind of dangerous. So we really wanted to give them a simple and safe way to do it. EDIY is a standard across all Maverick trim levels. The 12-volt electrical do-it-yourself is actually a pre-wired solution, very accessible, and you don't have to remove any vehicle part because it's already integrated at the bed. It can power portable devices like TV, video game consoles, air compressors, so anything that is in the 12-volt range. I like it because it's really flexible. You can do it yourself as many times as you want. And the other thing is you can either buy an accessory from the dealer or you can bring your own kit. Besides the 12-volt EDIY power, Maverick customers will have available for the Lariat trim 110-volt outlet at the truck bed and then also one at the interior cabin for a total of 400 watts power. So they can do, charging e-bikes. They can even charge tools like Dremels, Jigsaw, and encourage really them to be that DIY person.